Hello guys. Today we are going to review for the quiz that will be on Wednesday. Okay? As you already know, as I explained last week in class, the quiz will be on Wednesday and will be on Google Forms. So let's start. First, remember the content of the booklet, right? You have to study your English booklet, pages 12. Since the first topic we saw, the fanboys, the coordinating conjunctions. You have to study all of these subordinating conjunctions and the correlative conjunctions up to page 21. Right? This is the last activity that we worked together on the last tutorial. We worked everything on class. You can also review your notebook because in your notebook we copied a lot of examples of each topic. So first you have to study, okay? Take your time to open your booklet, your notebook and study. And then you're going to go to classroom tutorial where we are right now, and you're going to open the document that says review. Okay, you're going to do it alone. It is very important that you do this review for the quiz alone. Okay, this is going to help you have a good grade on the exam. So if you have questions about anything that is on this document, you have to ask me in class, okay? So first, what you're gonna do is you're going to put your name and the date of today. Remember that in English, first we write the month and then the number, and at the end, the year. So as I told you, the content is coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. And the pages of the booklet are pages 12 to 21. Let's start together. It says, complete the following sentences using coordinating conjunctions. You know that these conjunctions are the fanboys, right? So let's do the example A. I would like to eat more. I am hungry. On this first part, what you have to do is think of the fanboys. Remember, we learned them. In this one is, I would like to eat more, for I am hungry. So what you're going to do is you're going to write the answer immediately here on the spaces, okay? Like I did here. Part 2. Write sentences using the coordinating conjunctions. In the example, I wrote a sentence using nor. My mom doesn't like to eat mushrooms nor pickles. Pickles are the rounded green vegetables that are on the hamburgers. Those are pickles. So remember why we use nor when it's a negative. Remember? Nor, with n of negative. This is my example. What you're going to do is you're going to write your examples with so, but, yet, and for here. You see that period over there? You're going to write the examples here. Okay? Okay. When you finish, you're going to go to part 3. Complete the following sentences using correlative conjunctions. Use each pair only once. Let's do the example. I can't decide to plant tulips, roses in my garden. So look at the options. Neither, nor, whether, or, both, and, not, but, not only, but also, whether, or. I can't decide. I'm going to click this one. Whether to plant tulips or roses in my garden. That is the answer. So you just need to write it right there where you see the lines, okay? You can delete like I did and write the answer there. whether or. Remember, this is the conjunction that we use when we have options and we want to choose. You finish this and then you go with part 4. Part 4. Below is a word bank of subordinating conjunctions. Combine the sentences using the conjunctions, like we did last day on class. Number 1. The dog was really shy. It wagged its tail. So, for this one, the answer is although, if, until, when, whenever, or as soon as. It's although the dog was really shy, comma, it wagged its tail. Remember that wagged means that they move the tail when they are happy, right? That's what dogs do. Although the dog was really shy, it wagged its tail. So you combine the sentences, the clauses, and you write your sentence using these ones, okay? I am going to mark these ones so you know you don't have to use it. Yeah, I'm going to eliminate it, okay? And then you continue with the rest. A good trick is that if you're going to put the subordinating conjunction at the beginning, you put a comma. But remember, like we did in the exercise last Friday, sometimes the conjunctions go in the middle of sentences. So when they go in the middle, you don't put a comma. Okay? So you have to work on this, and when you finish, you turn it on. Here you will see a button that says entregar or turn in. So this is what you have to do. If you have any question about how to do this or any question about the topic, you have to write me, okay? On Gmail or in WhatsApp, you have to ask me. I will see you tomorrow on the Zoom session, and remember, the quiz is on Wednesday. I wish you good luck. Bye-bye.